Hi, my name is Ketan Sethi and I'm director for NAFFCO Aviation. NAFFCO Aviation is a division of NAFFCO Group worldwide. Here we are committed to provide a total solution for the airports, and for that, to start with, I have a complete range of our core products, which is fire, health and safety. So under that we produce NAFFCO airport rescue and firefighting vehicles, which is our own vehicles made on our own chassis NAFFCO in Jebel Ali Free Zone, and we are exporting it to more than 100 countries today, and having one of the major market share in the world. And we are also coming up with a new manufacturing plant, which is going to be the largest manufacturing plant globally. And coming to the other range of products which makes us as a complete solution provider for airports under one roof are the runway maintenance vehicles, which has been made here in Jebel Ali Free Zone, our plant, with the help of technologies from Europe, such as runway removal machine, which we are now supplying to countries like India, to a major airport, Mumbai International Airport. And then we are also into services of rubber removal, which we come to your airport, maintain your runway and take our machine back, so you don't need to buy any do any capex investments. We will bring our machine and give you the services. We have a complete range of airport runway sweeper, which we are now assembling here in our Dubai plant, friction tester. And then we have a huge range of ground support equipments, which includes pushback tractors up to 40 ton, conveyor belts, and all kind of equipments what you need for handling the ground. And this year in the aviation show here, Dubai Airport Show, we have launched our new range of air traffic controller equipments. I'll give you a round here, maybe if you can just have a quick look. This is a tactical communication integrated system, which is used for special operations here. Special operations for voice communication and control systems, for even for the ships you can use this system. Then we have here the automated weather observation system, which is used by EDCOs to know the weather and accordingly guide the aircraft's pilots about the conditions, weather conditions upcoming or present at airport right now, whether it's safe for landing or not, or safe for takeoff or not. Then the other system what we have here is the voice communication control system, which we have developed in association with a company DCOM. So it's an NAFFCO Aviation DCOM system, voice communication and control system, which is a fully redundant system based on IP technology. So it's a complete modular architect what we have made this system. And you have controller working positions of up to more than 256 controller working positions are possible in this one. Yeah. So this is the new things what we are doing, and we are committed to bring new technologies every year, as our aim is to bring a complete solution for airport, be it a land side, air side, or for the ATM automation also. So we are committed to bring the complete solution under one roof. Please visit us here at Dubai Airport Show 2024 in World Trade Center. We are here to welcome you and answer you all your queries about any product needs you have. Thank you so much.